Here's the question of the day, and I'm tossing it out to you. Usually I'm the one answering questions here about public speaking, speaking to the media, crisis communications, but here's a question I've thought about. I don't really know what the answer is yet. I want to see if any of you have an answer. What do you think would be the best response from a crisis communication standpoint if you or someone in your organization were accused of sexual harassment? This is obviously a big issue in the media today and affecting society and many different institutions. I don't have the right answer, but I'd like to hear from you. What do you think would be the best possible answer from a crisis communication standpoint? You, someone in your organization accused of sexual harassment. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to live audiences and to the news media. If you'd like any free books on how to do that more effectively, go to my website, mediatrainingworldwide.com.